I first bought this smoke machine a couple of years ago for a project on my personal YouTube channel. That didn't go through, and this has just been sitting on a shelf ever since. I've never used it. It's 2 years, it's just been sitting there, and that's ridiculous. So this video is sort of just to justify the purchase. The Lex F500 is a 500 watt smoke machine useful for stage effects or films or whatever you use a smoke machine for. There are loads of other specs on the Lex website. Here they are now. Pause it if you want to see them, but I'll just carry on. In the box I got the smoke machine, a wired remote, a wireless remote, and some smoke fluid stuff. It's quite easy to operate. There's really not that much to it. You stick some fluid in the tank, plug in either your wired remote or the receiver for your wireless remote. You can't use both the wired and wireless remotes at the same time. Plug the smoke machine in, switch it on and wait. The smoke machine is now warming up as indicated by the red light on the wired remote. If you're using the wireless remote then you won't be able to tell, so just have a guess. If it's not ready, then it won't do anything. If you press the button, it's not the end of the world. And now to the main bit of the video, you want to see how much smoke this thing can output. Okay, it's getting cloudy. Still going. Does it ever cut out? Come on. I'm drowning in smoke. Oh, there we are. So hopefully you can tell how much smoke it outputs. I'm now going to open the door. Be free. Luckily we don't have a smoke alarm in here. Actually, no, that's not very lucky, is it? We should have a smoke alarm in here, that's not good. Every now and then, after a prolonged period of use, the smoke machine will cut off to let it cool down a bit. Both the wired and wireless remotes work well. The wireless remote is just a generic Chinese thing, as indicated by the completely irrelevant lock and unlock buttons. Both buttons do exactly the same thing, by the way. But the remote has quite a good range on it. So there you go, that was the Lex F500. There's a link in the description to where you can buy it if you want. What was that?